Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we are focusing on mom because this weekend is Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all of my moms out there. Moms, grandmas, stepmoms, bonus moms, surrogate moms, whatever you call yourself, happy Mother's Day. Thank you for everything you do. Today I'm sharing a really cute little video with a quick and easy dessert that you can make with your kids, your husband can make with your kids can make with your kids for Mother's Day. This is a really quick and easy, delicious s'mores pie, and I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're gonna make a dessert that is super simple, that you're going to be able to make with your kids or your grandkids, and I think would be a great way for dad and the kids to get involved to make dessert for Mother's Day. And today we're going to make a really quick and easy dessert. Now, you've seen me make homemade cooked chocolate pudding in a previous video. You can feel free to use that particular pudding recipe, but you're going to want to make sure you make it a day in advance and refrigerate it until it's completely chilled, and then you can give it a good whisk. You can also choose to use 2 boxes of instant pudding. This is just a chocolate fudge instant pudding today because we did make that cooked pudding a couple of weeks ago and I don't have any of that left. But you can use that. So today I have 2 boxes of instant chocolate pudding that I used with 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of half and half. Don't worry about writing it down. I'll make sure I put it in a written recipe that you can refer to and download it to your phone or print it out for your use. So this is just easy. I use a mixer with a whisk attachment, and you can even just do it with a whisk. Refrigerate it until it's firm. And then 2 cups of heavy whipping cream that I have whipped with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And then I added 2 tablespoons of Ultra Gel, which is gonna stabilize the whipped cream, but you don't have to have that. In fact, if you're making this with your kids, for your mom, use Cool Whip. I'm just gonna tell you, go to the store, buy a couple of tubs of Cool Whip, make sure you thaw them out in the refrigerator overnight, and you'll be good to go. Then we need some marshmallows because this is a s'mores pie. So you've got the s'mores thing going on here. We've got graham cracker crust that you don't have to bake. We've got marshmallows, we've got chocolate pudding, and I've got sweetened whipped cream for the top. We have some mini chocolate chips to decorate, and that is all there is to it. I'm gonna take, this is approximately a cup of mini marshmallows. And I'm just gonna get these in here, and I'm gonna just fold them right into this chocolate pudding. So make sure you get them folded in really, really well. And they'll be peeking through when you slice into this, and it'll be really pretty. And the marshmallows will soften up a bit. They won't dissolve, but they will soften up a bit when they sit. And we're going to put our marshmallow chocolate pudding right on in there. Now, if I use instant pudding from a box for a pie, they do have a pie filling recipe, so to speak, on how to make it on the side of the box. It usually has a 1/2 cup less liquid per box. Take your spatula and spread this evenly into your pie shell. Also, I have used the extra large graham cracker crust. I like the way the pies turn out with this larger crust. Okay, so far so good. So easy. Kids can do this.
Even dads.
Even dads can do this. Now we're just gonna top this with our whipped topping or whipped cream. Now look, you don't have to get fancy. You don't have to use a piping tip or put this in a bag. Just plop it on there and spread it out even. Okay, we've smoothed our whipped cream evenly over our pie, and now what do you top a s'mores pie with? Some graham cracker crumbs. I just crushed up 1 graham cracker, like a whole graham cracker. Probably not even gonna use the whole thing. But you should decorate your s'mores pie however you like. You wanna put sprinkles on there for mom? Make it fun for the kids? That's what you should do. I'm gonna put some marshmallows on the top too. I should have had Rick make this.
That'd have been fun.
It would have been fun.
Painful.
And painful. That's funny. Okay, and because we're going with the s'mores theme, I have some mini chocolate chips, just like that. And I think that looks beautiful. And I think it's a really nice, quick and easy, hands-on kind of deal. You can get your kids involved. You can do this with grandma, grandpa. You can do this with dad. You can do this with mom, because, you know, Mother's Day is all about being together and recognizing everything that she does for us. There you have it, our delicious, quick and easy s'mores pie that you can make, that your husband can make, that your dad can make, that your grandma can make, and your kids can make. You want to taste it?
I have to.
I mean, how is this going to be bad? I mean,
How could I not?
it's chocolate pudding and whipped cream and marshmallows. How could it be bad? Huh? It's pretty darn good. Those marshmallows just soften up really nicely in that pudding mixture. They just add a little extra. So good. I hope that you give this a try. I hope you make it for your mom or your grandma or whoever you like this weekend or anytime. And I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see you.